Agentic coding, spec-driven coding, whatever you want to call it. I think if we lean into this too hard, we're going to usher in a new dark age of software development and terribly disappointing outcomes, and possibly even yield the death of product as a discipline. It all sounds very dramatic, doesn't it? But I'll tell you what I'm thinking, right? It's really natural and intuitive and common at the start of a software project, if you don't have any experience of developing and releasing things over time, to design what you think you're going to release, do one massive expression of the finished product, and then get that out there. And this takes time and effort and yields a specific and very opinionated piece of code. What you discover when you finish that and release it is it's not actually quite what you wanted, and you need to make some changes. But if you built it all in one big lump, changing it is very, very hard. So over the years, we've evolved disciplines like Agile and other product-centric methodologies, which enable us to break something down into a series of stages and to release little and often, so that at each step we can find out stuff, learn, and then keep going. And it doesn't turn into a massive refactoring stroke rewriting car crash. So firstly, agentic spec-driven development is delivering an over-finished product, which means that you can't iterate on it. And secondly, if your code is all written by agents and LLMs or GPTs, then when you want to iterate, when you will try and iterate and change that in some subtle or incremental way, you're not going to get subtle incremental code. You're going to get widespread blob delivery of something slightly different, which means that A, you're diffing in like code review processes are going to be much, much harder. B, you're going to be leaning much harder on regression testing of each individual thing, which probably writing regression tests that move with this kind of over-opinionated, over-rewritten code is probably quite hard as well. And it's all just going to yield, in my opinion, a series of things that are released, as I say, overformed and just not quite right. And there won't be any expertise or investment money available to go back and change those things. So I think actually the quality of software and the quality of product output is going to drop off enormously. We need product. We need agile. These things don't change. Whether or not you're releasing software, or whether you're starting a business or formulating ideas for a shop, or whatever you're doing, right? You need to do incremental stages. You need to test at each stage and learn from those tests and move on. You need to release, measure, learn. And you can't do that if you're telling a computer to deliver a fully finished product every time. That's just what I think. What do you think?